My name is Kevin Kay. I live in Redding, California, and I have a business that restores classic cars and Aston Martins in particular. I started out as a British car nut when I was a teenager, and Aston Martin is the ultimate British sports car. Always has been and probably always will be. So even though I had MGs and Triumphs and this sort of thing, this was something I really admired, and got my first one as a project when I was in my early 30s, and went on from there. Once I restored that car, I showed it and began to get requests for restoration work, and that sort of snowballed, and here we are.
Ever since I was a child, I've had a passion for everything car and motorcycle related. My toys as a child were all cars and motorcycles, and growing up I always had multiple cars by my side as a child. And then as a teenager I had cars and motorcycles, and as I've grown older I've gotten into the car collecting and restoring.
It appealed to me before the James Bond thing. It's a sophisticated English car that's sporty yet elegant, comfortable, fast, beautiful, well made. It's, you know, the quintessential English bespoke car. There's nothing like it. I mean, Jaguars are wonderful, but they're a mass-produced car. They're different. You know, Rolls-Royces are big luxury cars, and Astons are the best of all those worlds.
When you see a car go from the stages of a barn find to being completely restored to a new vehicle, it's amazing to jump in that car and have it fire up on the first turn of the engine and go for a drive down the road, and the smell of new leather. It's just amazing to realize what a new car would have been like 50 or so years ago.
I picked Redding for a lot of reasons. I love the outdoors. I love fishing and camping, hiking. So when I wanted to get out of the Bay Area, this was the logical place to come. It had everything that the Bay Area did not have. It had peace and quiet, solitude, no crowds, no traffic. And to me, it's just like peace. It's a very peaceful place to live. It's just the outdoors and the surroundings that, you know, every day you get up and see Mount Shasta and the mountains. The lake is 10 minutes over the hill, the river runs through town. I just, you know, like I've told people, most people I know, I want to move here when I retire, I want to go there. I'm already where I want to be when I retire. I'm not going anywhere.